Mastering English Idioms. Bite your tongue. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video on English language learning. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, bite your tongue. This phrase can be a bit puzzling for non-native speakers, but fear not, we're here to unravel its meaning and usage. So, let's get started. The phrase, bite your tongue, is an idiomatic expression in English. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. In this case, bite your tongue doesn't literally mean to bite down on your tongue. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression used to advise someone to remain silent or to stop talking. It's often employed in situations where speaking may cause trouble or be inappropriate. It's always interesting to know where idioms come from. The origin of bite your tongue is not precisely known, but it's believed to have originated from the physical act of biting one's tongue to prevent oneself from speaking. This physical restraint symbolizes the effort to hold back words or to control one's speech. 1. In a disagreement, if someone is about to say something hurtful or inappropriate during an argument, they might be advised to bite their tongue to avoid escalating the situation. 2. To prevent spilling secrets. If someone is on the verge of revealing confidential information, bite your tongue serves as a reminder to keep the secret. 3. Self-reminder. It can also be used self-referentially when someone realizes they're about to say something they shouldn't. Let's see how bite your tongue is used in everyday conversations. Friendship scenario. I almost told Sarah about her surprise party, but I bit my tongue at the last minute. Workplace scenario. When my boss made an unrealistic demand, I had to bite my tongue to avoid arguing. Like many idioms, bite your tongue has variations. Hold your tongue. This has a similar meaning, emphasizing the need to refrain from speaking. Bite your lip, although similar, this can also imply holding back emotion, not just speech. That's all about bite your tongue. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a vital part of mastering the nuances of the English language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language learning content. Stay curious and keep learning.